Mecha is a term commonly used to refer to giant or otherwise very large robots. They can incorporate some organic elements, as is sometimes the case in the Godzilla series. Most mecha kaijus in the Godzilla series and beyond are armed with an inconceivable amount of firepower. Not just their strength and power, but you'll even be amazed to see their size too. Let's have a look at the sizes of all the mecha kaijus in the Godzilla franchise. So firstly we have Mechanic Kong, which is a robotic version of King Kong that appeared in the 1967 Toho film King Kong Escapes. In King Kong Escapes, Mechanic Kong's entire body is a metallic grey color and it has powerful light bulbs for eyes, a utility belt containing grenades around his waist, and a hypnotic light attached to his head. Coming to its size, Mechanic Kong has a height of 20 meters and weighs about 15,000 tons. Up next we have Jet Jaguar. Jet Jaguar is a heroic mecha created by Toho that first appeared in 1973 Godzilla film Godzilla vs. Megalon. It also appeared extensively in the television series Godzilla Island. Talking about its size, it has a height of 50 meters and weighs about 25,000 tons. In the television series Godzilla Island, as mentioned, Jet Jaguar can appear in the form of Medical Jet Jaguar. This mecha kaiju appeared in the year 1997 and it has the same height and weight as the normal Jet Jaguar. Medical Jet Jaguar's appearance is that of completely white version of Jet Jaguar, with the exception of a red cross on its chest. Up next is Firefighter Jet Jaguar, which is also another form of Jet Jaguar. This mecha kaiju appeared in the same television series Godzilla Island in 1997. Firefighter Jet Jaguar is red and has a white fire hose and pump on his back. Talking about its size, it weighs the same as the normal Jet Jaguar. Next we have Mecha Godzilla, which is an alien mecha created by Toho that appeared in the 1974 Godzilla film Godzilla vs. Mecha Godzilla. Mecha Godzilla's name comes from the word mecha, which is derived from mechanical, and from another monster, Godzilla. Its height and weight measures 50 meters and 40,000 tons. Up next is Mecha Godzilla 2. Mecha Godzilla 2 appeared in the 1975 film Terror of Mecha Godzilla. Its advanced features include cross-attack beam, space beam, 21 missile launchers, defense neo barrier, and flight. Talking about its dimensions, it measures the same height and weight as that of Mecha Godzilla. Next is Mugiwara Showa, also known as Proto Mugiwara. It is a Mysterian mecha created by Toho that first appeared in the 1957 film The Mysterians. Mugiwara's height is the same as Mecha Godzilla, but it is 10,000 tons heavier than it. Up next is Kiryu, which is a cybernetically enhanced mecha created by Toho that first appeared in the 2002 Godzilla film Godzilla against Mechagodzilla. It also appeared in the 2003 film Godzilla Tokyo SOS. The word Kiryu means a machine dragon and its legal name is simply Mechagodzilla. Coming to its dimensions, its height measures 60 meters and it weighs 40,000 tons. Next is Mechagodzilla 3, which appeared in the 1993 film Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla 2. Like its Showa counterpart, this Mechagodzilla was constructed specifically to destroy Godzilla. However, this time it was built by the human military organization G-Force in order to defend Japan from Godzilla. Its size is a lot bigger this time, measuring a height of 120 meters and weighs about 150,000 tons. Up next is Super Mechagodzilla, again appeared in the same movie Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla 2 in 1993. Super Mechagodzilla is simply Mechagodzilla but with the attachment of Garuda to its back. It is much more powerful. Its height is still the same but it weighs just a bit more compared to Mechagodzilla 3. Next is Mugiwara, which is a UN-built mecha created by Toho that first appeared in the 1994 Godzilla film Godzilla vs. Space Godzilla. Mugiwara was constructed from the leftover pieces of Mechagodzilla in another attempt to kill Godzilla. Its height measures 120 meters and weighs about 160,000 tons. Up next is Hyper Mecha King Ghidorah that first appeared in the 1998 Godzilla Island episode. Hyper Mecha King Ghidorah's body is more mechanical than the original Mecha King Ghidorah. While Mecha King Ghidorah had one robotic head and two organic ones, all three of Hyper Mecha King Ghidorah are mechanical. Its height measures 140 meters and weighs somewhere between 50,000 to 70,000 tons. And now the biggest and largest of all mecha kaiju is Mecha King Ghidorah, which is a mechanically modified Ghidorah created by Toho that first appeared in the 1991 Godzilla film Godzilla vs. King Ghidorah. Mecha King Ghidorah has a futuristic and mechanical look with his middle head mechanicized as well as his wings, torso and a few other areas. He is considerably more powerful than the purely organic King Ghidorah. It measures a height of 150 meters, weighs over 80,000 tons and having 175 meters wingspan. So that was the size comparison of all the Mecha Kaijus. If you like the video, do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much for viewing. Till then, bye bye.